Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Invesco Galaxy Ethereum ETF QETH just filed a current report, and I am seeing one key departure that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The ETF is seeing a leadership change, and it is worth understanding what that means for its future. Alright, let's dive into this 8K filing from the Invesco Galaxy Ethereum ETF ticker symbol QETH. This is a current report, meaning something significant has happened that the company needs to tell investors about right away. The report is dated the 4th of June 2026, and it is about a change within the management team. The specific section we are looking at here deals with departures and appointments of directors and officers. On the 4th of June, Mr. Jordan Krugman announced his resignation from all his roles at Invesco Capital Management LLC, which is the sponsor or the management company of the Invesco Galaxy Ethereum ETF. This resignation is set to take effect at the end of the business day on the 3rd of August. 2026. So a key player is stepping down, and the company is now looking for someone to fill his shoes. While the prompt doesn't give us the specifics of his role beyond being a member of the board of managers, any change in leadership at the sponsor level can be significant for an ETF. It makes you wonder what prompted this change and who they will bring in to replace him. Will it be someone with a similar vision or a new direction? This ETF, the Invesco Galaxy Ethereum ETF, trades under the ticker QETH on the CBO EBZX exchange. It focuses on common shares of beneficial interest, essentially tracking the price of Ether. The filing also notes that Invesco Galaxy Ethereum ETF has elected to be treated as an emerging growth company. This means they can use certain accommodations under the law, like delayed reporting for new accounting standards. It also means they might be a bit younger and still growing compared to more established financial products. The report is signed by Adam Henkel, who is listed as the Secretary for Invesco Capital Management, LLC, acting on behalf of the ETF. The date of the signature is the 5th of June 2026, just a day after the actual notice of resignation. What does this departure mean for QETH? Well, leadership changes can signal shifts in strategy or outlook. Mr. Krugman's exit may be a routine event, or it could point to underlying issues or new opportunities that the management is pursuing. With the ETF still relatively young, having launched in mid-2024, stability in management is generally a positive sign for investors. The fact that they are actively looking for a replacement suggests they want to maintain continuity. We will be watching to see who they appoint and what impact it has on the ETF's performance and strategy. The risk I am watching is any perceived instability from this change. Especially for a newer ETF in the rapidly evolving crypto ETF space, what I am actually looking for is transparency in the selection of the new manager and how they plan to navigate the future of Ether-based ETFs. Oh, and the research tools and broker I use day to day are linked below. Grab a free sign up if you want to support the work. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps. And subscribe for more deep dives. Check out the Discord in the description.